our linton will grow. Who knows what this is? I don't think we're going back here. Hello guys, how are you doing? So guys, it's your girl Maureen. It is a good afternoon. Let me take over. It's a good afternoon here in the countryside of Kenya in Africa. So how are you guys doing? So this is the view right now. Beautiful as always. See, everything is green. There is sun today. The concrete is not cold. And yeah, so if you're new, my name is Maureen Kanana, and I'm a village girl from the countryside of Kenya, the eastern part of Africa. And yeah, welcome to my video today, guys. So yeah, so guys, on today's video I'm going to do an update. As you can see my outfit. Show them. Yeah. Show them the way start from below. See guys, as you can see, I have some gum boots on. So you already guessed where we are going. Even though it is afternoon, we are going to the gardens as I show you an update on it. So yeah, let's go. And this is how my mom is dressed. Dera. So let's go. So guys, I know I haven't made a video on doing what on the kitchen garden. So I have already planted new things. Let me show you. So for the new ones, welcome to my garden, to my kitchen garden. So the difference between a kitchen garden and a garden. So see guys, for the new ones, welcome to my garden. And guys, as you can see, we are planting some new things. Can you see a difference? So I have already planted some. See, these one are the capsicum, the green pepper. So I wanted to introduce some new things. That's why I planted some new vegetables. And guys, let me tell you, I wanted to show you as I was planting, but unfortunately the light went out in our village, so I couldn't charge my GoPro, so that's why I didn't show you as we are planting. But it is just the usual video. So yeah, let me show you. These one are the capsicum, the green pepper. Then I planted some more kales, but because they were seedlings, that's why we have to wait for this one to shed off, then new leaves will emerge. I planted them, I think, when? A day before yesterday. That's why they have not yet adapted to the environment, or to the soil, whatever. So we added some more spinach, as you can see, some new spinach. So I wanted to make this entire portion spinach, but I couldn't because I can't remove the previous one. As you can see, we still have some spinach still, but because of the cold, they didn't do so well. As you can see, the leaves are not that big, so maybe let's give them time. So yeah, what else did we do? And yeah, so here is our portion. We planted some coriander. Coriander, guys. So this portion is for coriander. And guys, remember, these ones are from the own season. And this Sky, say hi. This one coriander from the previous season, and I decided not to uproot everything, so that you're gonna have future seedlings for planting coriander in the future. As you can see, it has some. This is how the skin for coriander look like, guys. So these one are the one which you're gonna be planting in the future. That's why I didn't remove everything. And this one is still flowering, as you can see. And On this portion I have planted cabbages. Cabbages, guys, I don't know, do cabbages look like this? I couldn't differentiate them with the chaos, but as time goes, I think these one are the cabbages. So I planted some seedlings of cabbage over here, but I still couldn't remove the horned chaos, the supermarket, because they're still, we can harvest them, so I didn't wanna waste some veggies. And these one are my what? My pepper, and this one is a pumpkin seedling. And what else should I show you? And this portion, guys, I don't have anyone to record me. This one is what? We planted some carrot. Do you remember from my previous video we were harvesting some carrots? So now what? We uprooted everything, we harvested everything, and we planted them again. So this one portion is for, the entire portion is for carrot, and this one is a capsicum seedling. And what else? Here we have some Sky is finding a way to enter into the garden. Sky, cos. Tell the subscribers hello. Tell them hello. So this one has some more kales, as you can see. And this one I decided to plant a capsicum here, and some more kales, this one. And yeah, so there ain't a lot happening on the garden right now, so I'm just giving it some time so that you're gonna have some new veggies, new capsicum, new kales, new tomatoes. The only thing I have not planted is what? I wanted to plant some cucumbers, but I went to look for what do we call them? The seedlings, because I was shown that they don't grow seedlings for cucumber. You have to buy the seed and plant them yourself. So maybe in the future I'll do that. And some more capsicum, some more kales, and these ones, who knows what this is? Tell me what the comment section, or should I tell you? These one are called, what? These one are called arrowroot, guys. I don't know if you know what arrowroot is. For those from Kenya, I know you know what is arrowroot, but for my Western people, tell me, guys, do you grow arrowroots? They look like this. So it is a root tuber. So it produces the leaves, as you can see. These ones, the leaves. Sky is coming. Sky, let's open the door for Sky. Come close. My assistant is Sky. And they look like this, guys. They are called arrowroots. It is a root tuber. So when it is big, it produces leaves like this, and they branch. I'll show you a grown one. I don't think we have it. They grow along the river, but you can still plant them on an enclosed area using the sacks, as we have done, my mom has done. So when it is mature enough, you're going to uproot this thing, the entire plant. Then you're going to cut the down part, is the arrowroot. I'll show you the picture of it. And we also eat the leaves of it. This one it is like a vegetable. So we have some more here and here. What else haven't I showed you? So let's go and check on the tomatoes. So yeah, so here's our tomatoes, guys. See the fruit of our work. See, we have some. This one looks like it is about to ripen. See that one, and this one. I don't know if this one is okay. It's about to, and we have some more. Look, a lot of tomatoes. This one is a big, and guys, these ones what did I do? I germinated the seeds of the tomatoes myself, and yeah, see some more. We have a lot of tomatoes. Look, a lot of tomatoes. This one, we have already harvested this one. It was live, and some more tomatoes. And look guys, a lot of tomatoes. I'm planning to plant some more. See, hey, boy. And guys, on this portion, as you can see, my garden is under a mango tree. That's a mango tree. So because of the cold, this portion, it is the vegetables we are growing here is not doing so great. So we are planting some local vegetables here, but they didn't do so well. So we uprooted everything and we decided to plant some new thing. So my mom decided to plant some corn. I hope I don't know if it will do well over here, but I hope it will. So we have grown some corn, some maize. Yes, you can see these are. So maybe in a couple of days we're gonna see them germinating. So that's all from our garden, guys. We just planted some new things: the carrots, the spinach, the capsicum, and I'll be adding some more things in the near future. It's going to have a kitchen garden when you can get some groceries from. You don't have to go and buy everything. You should have a small piece of land, a portion of land that you're not using. So it's going to have something like this. So as you can see, we'll be harvesting some tomatoes here, some organic tomatoes. And here's Sky, are you? And here is the watermelon, guys. My watermelon are frustrating me. We have some flowers, but they are not producing any fruits. The flowers are just falling off, so I don't know. And what else? The passion is not the season for passion, so we don't have any passion right now. So let me go. I was planning to show you how you saw from my previous video we have some free-range chicken. So as we don't feed them anything, so I'm going to show you how I'm able to provide my chicken with enough protein. So I'm going to show you how I produce maggot easily using the chicken manure itself. So that's all from the garden, guys. I just wanted to show you. And guys, please do subscribe and watch until the end, guys. Let me get monetized. We're almost there, and I appreciate everyone who is supporting me. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. So guys, I'm planning to do a video without taking a break or something, because it is taking a lot of time to edit. So I just want, when I finish, I just upload. And so guys, these are our bananas. I told you our Legion will grow a lot of bananas, and this one we just planted some new banana. This one is a banana tree. It looks like this. So you get a banana usually produces some suckers. They're called suckers, like this one, like these ones. Can you see these ones? Like this one, when they are big enough, because you can't have all of them here, they're the same price. You cut from down, so that you don't when you don't cut here. If you cut here, it won't grow, so you have to get the roots also. So you get something like this. So my brother was the one who was doing this, because this portion is his. As you can see, we have some bananas still, but because they were depleted alcohol, they were finished, so we had to plant some more. That's why you just dig a hole like this one, you put manure, then you put the the banana stem, the banana tree like this. So in a couple of years you're gonna have some bananas like that one. And so this one is what I'm going to use to do what? To make my what? my to produce maggot wheel. So Sky, come outside. We need to cross because of the chickens. Get out. Get out. Good. What is it? Tell the subscribers hello. Sky want to be pet. My cringy cat. Go Sky. So this is the garden gate. And oh, I didn't show you my other. We have some more things down here. This is our passion. Do you remember us planting this one? The passion. This one is our passion, but let's wait for it a little bit. So guys, unfortunately I don't have anyone to record me, but I can still show you myself weeding. So let's remove some wind from here. And this one in some months you're gonna have some passion. This one is a kind of a variety of a passion, but it's not like this one. This one is the yellow passion, and this one is the one that produced the pink fruit. I don't know, I'll show you I won't show you. They produce the pink fruit, if you know. I hope you know what I'm talking about. And these one are the cassava, the sweet potatoes, and this one is the pumpkin. If you remember in my previous video, you saw me planting some. This one, it is not yet big, but this is it. And this one is the yams. Yam is a very nice. It's a very nice breakfast, guys. Super energy giving fruit. So if you want to harvest some yam, you just remove the soil here, and there are going to be some yams inside. So that's all, guys. Ma, eko yeda mpenjera karinya kanini. Karinya. So guys, I'm telling my mom to tell my brother to dig a hole for me. Sky, Eden does not want to help me. Or should I dig myself? Should I dig myself, guys? I know how to dig. I just wanted my brother to do it faster because amwambia nifanyia hapo then. Hapo njira kanini au mtu nenda rukia video mwe ikiwa food. Kanini teke kinene. So guys, my mom was telling me that I should go down and show you we are planning to plant some new banana trees, some new bananas. That's why my mom was telling me to go and show you. And that's my dad carrying the leaves for the cows. Oh. Baba, no get it ja. Ja. I think I'm going. Oh. So guys, I was asking my dad why he has cut down these bananas, and he has told me that these one are no longer useful. This one I think they're going to be fed to the cows. So they are planning to plant some new. As you can see, we have dug some more. This one thing is for planting more bananas. So yeah, as you can see, our entire farm we grow a lot of bananas. See, down all the way is just bananas. And see, bananas, and these are our sugar cane. So guys, I'm taking everything because I don't want to go and hand it, because when I go to hand it usually take a lot of time. So if I am doing a video at right now, it is 1 p.m. before I'm finished anything is 6 p.m. so I'd rather take the entire video than go and upload the way it is. And yeah, that's our farm, guys. Bananas and more bananas. So if you go down, let me go and show you how the arrowroot I was telling you about, and this is where I love to come and sit. But someone put some my first video on YouTube. I was sitting here. I don't know if you can remember. I was sitting. And here is Sky, my cringy cat. Why are you following me, Sky? Huh? You want to be with pet, Sky? So, cause no, we need to do a video. I want to record you maybe later on my other channel. Let's pet Sky, my very cringy cat. Yes, Sky. Hello. Tell the subscribers hello, they should subscribe and go and watch your other channel, right? So guys, let's go. So as you can see, we have no Sky. I need to go. Let's go. So that's our farm, guys. Just bananas, and this one is avocado tree. See, Sky is lying on there. He loves it in the countryside. He has a lot of what? He has a lot of time to just go and stroll on the farm. And so guys, do you see this branch? This one is used to support the bananas so that they don't fall. And see, so guys, unfortunately I will have to edit because the GoPro got overeaten, so it shut itself down. So I will have to see Sky. No Sky. I will have to edit the video because, and more bananas. And see guys, this is the river that runs through our farm, and you see the other side, it is the owners planting some hardwood. The one I was showing you, they usually grow them along the river. Hey Sky, I won't pet you right now. We pet Sky. Come here. Come here, Sky. Kus, kus, kus. Come here. Come here. Hello, Sky. We won't pet you right now. We pet Sky. Sky, I need to do a video. Ni hivyo sasa, si ndio Sky? No. You're scratching me, Sky, boy. See guys, my cringy cat. We need to do the video together now. So these one are the cassava tree. They look like this is like a root tuber, guys. You saw my video yesterday. I was eating cassava for breakfast, and yeah. So I don't know if there's anything I should show you. So that's our farm. Oh, bananas. And let's head back as we go and I show you how we make maggot here. Sky, stop it. That is a banana which has not yet matured. It produces like those ones, for those who don't know. So let's head back. Tell them hello. Tell them hello, Sky. So yeah, let's head back. Sky, come here. Come here. Come here, Sky. Tere. Cause I found a girl who's in love. See, Sky is running. Unaogopa, Sky? So guys, now let's do the hard job. Let me show you how we do this one.
Rồi thì ta giờ luôn. Thì ta cũng ít nào đi để.
Asifanye. So guys, we are going to spread this one down. And I wanted a big sack that is not, but I only have this one. So if you don't know, in Kenya, like plastic bags are banned. So this one, it was like a, I don't know when this one came from, but they are banned. You shouldn't. We don't use like plastic bag anymore. So I'll use this one. And now come here. See, plastic bag is iron bag. How many? I don't know. So guys, because we don't have a lot of chickens, so we want to make a lot. That's why I'll just make a smaller one. Let's go and get some manure. Let's go. What can you say? So guys, this is our chicken coop. Small, simple, but it does its job. So you can still add some eggshell. They are going to decompose. So let's get some chicken manure. Guys, I think this one is enough because they're not making like a lot. So you just add this one. Let's go and some water. So guys, as I was telling you, this is what you plant for bananas. This one, do you see this one? This is what a sample of what usually grows to produce bananas like that one, like this one. So yeah. So after you get this one, you're going to put it here. No. Go away, no chicken. Show them the chickens. And some water. I'm going to cover it. After you do that, then you that's all guys. So when you're done covering it with soil, man, did you show them? When you're done covering with soil, then you wait for some couple of days. I have done this before, that's why I'm showing what I did. And when you open the soil and whatever, you're going to find a lot of maggots because the chicken manure would have decomposed, and I don't know where the maggots come from. So yeah, that is what I usually feed the chicken, especially those who are near to lay eggs. And see this guy, Sky, I won't pet you again. I won't pet you again, you Sky. Let me end the video. So guys, that was the video. Did you like it? If you did, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, and tell me if you have ever produced maggot in that method, because I have done it before and I got some maggot. So tell me, and please do subscribe. And I want to get my channel monetized before my graduation date is on September 27th. So if you can help me get monetized before that, it will really mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's all from Kani, from the countryside of Kenya. Bye, and let me see you on my next video. Bye, see you. So guys, this is how a cassava looks like, and you can eat it raw like this one. Let me show you. I want to record you like this one. So so this is how a cassava looks like, guys. The one I was eating yesterday. So but this one, as you can see, it has 12, and you eat the white part. So yeah.